Students, welcome to class 9th maths class. This is your second online class. Students, in previous class we learnt about different types of sets. Today we are going to learn how to make subsets and power sets. First, you must have to know the definition of a subsets. Subsets are sets. Subsets are sets which are formed using all or some of the elements of the original parent set. Consider the following set. A is equal 1, 2, 3. Symbolically, we write subset. In easiest way, the subset means how many separate sets you have to make it for all those elements which are present in the set A. Now come to the proper subsets. Any subsets of a set is said to be a proper subset of A if it is not equal to A. Look at again. If it is not equal to A, if B is a proper subset of A, then we write is as B is the proper subset of A. Look at the example. Let A is equal 1, 2, 3 and B is equal 1, 2. Please students tell me, can you find 1 and 2 in set A? Definitely yes, because 1 and 2 is present in set A. So that is why B is the proper subset of A. Got it? Improper subset. Let A be a subset of B. The set of A is said to be an improper subset of B if A is equal B. Then we write it as A is an improper subset of B. In easiest way, we can say that if both sets elements are same, suppose see, look at on the top, there is written 1, 2, 3. If the same elements in B also written 1, 2, 3, so that is called an improper subset. Means both sets elements are same, so then we say that is improper subset. Now come to another way. How many and how to make number of subsets. We use 2n to find out the number of subsets we make. In the beginning I have told you that how we are making, how to find out the subsets. Now my question is, please tell me how many subsets we have to make it. There are 4 elements. Again I am telling you, the subsets means you have to make it separate sets. So in your mind I think is that you have to make it how many subsets? 4, because there are 4 elements, 4 separate elements are there, so 4 separate subsets you have to make it. No, it is not correct. Down I have given you one example. There is written we use 2n. What we use? We use 2n. N stands for number of elements. N stands for what? Number of elements. Please count how many elements in the set. 1, 2, 3, 4. So see, instead of n I have written there 4. And how to read it? 2 power 4. It does not mean that you multiply 2 with 4. Okay, so don't multiply 2 with 4, because if you multiply 2 with 4 you will get the answer 8, and that is not correct. It means when there is a power is given over there, so it means the number which is down under the power, that multiply itself. So see, there is written 4, so it means 2 multiply 4 times itself. So 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8 and 8 2s are 16. And how many subsets you have to make it? 16 subsets you have to make it. Got it? Now students, come to the procedure of making subsets. How to make. So first, very easy example I have selected for you. So the first one is A is equal triangle. These are the shapes: triangle, square and circle. First you have to find out how many subsets you have to make it. For this you have to write first the name of the set, then write 2n and count how many elements are there in the set. There are 3 elements. So I have written 3 on the top. Now what you have to do, how many number of subsets you have to make it? 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2, 8 subsets you have to make it. Okay students, when you are starting to make subsets, so first set should be an empty set, always. Then second you have to start. See, the first shape is triangle, so I have put triangle in a separate set. Then the second object is, or second element is square, so I have put it in another set. Third shape is circle, so I have put it in other set. Then make two pairs, triangle and square, triangle and circle, square and circle. And one thing keep in your mind, those subsets that you are making, that should not be same. All subsets elements should be separate. And the last C there is triangle, square and 0. What do we call it? What name we have to say? This is proper subset. Proper subset, or sorry, improper subset or equal subset. Got it? Now come to the second example. If B is equal A, B, C, D, the first question is how many subsets we have to make it. B is equal to n. First count how many elements are there. A, B, C, D. So there is 4 we can write, because there are 4 elements. Now you have to multiply 2 itself how many times? 4 times. 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2, it will be 16 subsets you have to make it. And what you have to do, first set should be empty. Then take A, then take B, then take C, then take D. After that A and B, A and C, A and D, then B and C, then C and D. Then make 3 sets, A, B, C, A, B, D, then B, C, D, A, C, D, and the last improper subset A, B, C, D. Okay, so in the beginning I have told you that the first set should be empty and the last should be improper subset. Now check, is there any set that is repeating or same? A, it is also separate, B, C, D, A, B, A, C, and so on. See, we cannot find any set that their elements are repeating. Got it? Now come to the power set. Let A be a set. The set of all possible subsets of A is called power set. Set of A is denoted by PA. P stands for power and A is the name of the set. Understood? Now example have been given to you. Example is, find the power set of A is equal AB. So how many elements are there inside the set? There are 2 elements. So first we find out how many separate sets we have to make it. For that what we will do, we will write number of subsets, and on the top 2 there is 2 elements. I have written here 2. So multiply 2 multiply by 2, it will be 4. So how many subsets you have to make it? 4. So first set should be empty, then take A, then take B, and the last set should be an improper subset. Got it? Now how to write? These are all subsets. The same procedure that we've learned how to make subsets. Only thing is, what you have to do, you will write so, then write P is stand for power set, and A. Don't write in all sets A. Suppose if your set name is B, so instead of A you can write B. Then all elements, all subsets you have to write in the square bracket or curly bracket. Means gather all the subset, gather it and put it the square bracket or curly bracket. So that will be the power set. I hope you understood. Now the home task. The home task is this. If A is equal ABC, find proper subsets of A. Means here you will find the subsets. ABC 1, 2, C is equal 3, 6, 1, 12 and 15. Down the question number 2 is here you have to find out the power sets. A is equal 1, 3, 5, 7, D, E, F, G and AB. Thank you very much students for watching this class, and we will see you soon again.